Hey, NAPO family, guess what time it is?
It's GOMonth 2025, and this year we're going green, like really green.
That's right, our theme for the National Service Project this year is NAPO Goes Green, and we're all about serving our communities while making an environmental impact.
So whether you're into e-recycling or hosting a shredding event or getting involved in a community garden, there's a project with your name on it.
Want to start small? How about a green commute challenge? Let's see who can bicycle, carpool, or take the bus the most in January.
Or get hands-on with a clothing swap. You know you have that shirt you never wear, swap it with a friend and keep it out of a landfill.
Remember, whatever project you choose, we want to see it. Share your green efforts with us through the hashtags #NAPO Goes Green, #NAPO Pro, and #GoMonth.
And don't forget to email us your awesome achievements at marketing@napo.net. We can't wait to highlight the great work that you do.
So let's get organizing, get green, and make this Go Month one for the planet.
You've got this, NAPO. Let's go green.